Don't you know? Talking about a revolution.
The Edge Fest, it's got to do a few tunes here supporting in behalf of Rock to Recovery and supporting Hasler Company. It's a fantastic event. Hopefully we all have a cracking time. Combination of covers and my own stuff. We got Oasis to start. It's better people love one another. Living your life can be tough.
So many lessons in this life, only one or two will last. When you go for the pain and all the strife, then you turn your back so fast. Then you turn your back so fast.
You're the magician's assistant in their dreams. Oh,
Hey, you better get some beer down here because the party hasn't started yet.
She knows it's too late and she's walking on by.
Wonderful charity called Gabriel's Friends. So they pay for the music tuition. What I would like to do actually is hand over to a representative from Gabriel's Friends, Fabio, and he can say a few more words about it.
Gabriel was one of my best friends at school, and sadly we lost him almost 6 years ago. Shortly after he finished school, he was training to be a Royal Marine and would have been amongst all of his life. So we, along with his loving mother, wanted to set up something in his memory that we could all give something back. And it's called Gabriel's Glade. So by all means have a nice little wander up there and a nice little chill out spot up there.
She knows it's too late and she's walking on by. Her soul slides away. But don't look back in anger. Don't look back in anger. I heard you
The money from this festival is going to the Royal Marine charity, Rock to Recovery, Gabriel's Friends. So from me personally, thank you very much. Thank you.
This not today. Thank you, Jack the Lad.
Hate Fest, everybody!